Number 92. How should you use GMAT forums? If you're already preparing for the GMAT, sooner or later, you'll find yourself in one of these crowded forums bombarded with advice. The good thing about them is that if you want to see different solution approaches to the same questions, you'll get lots of them. The bad thing is you'll get lots of everything. When it comes to advice, stick to professionals who have been in this field for a few decades. They do not just relate to the one question that you're struggling with, but to its dozens of different variations over the years. If you want to avoid GMAT-phobia, don't just wander around, as you'll most likely end up confused and frightened. Go to these forums hunting down specific answers and be skeptical about the advice you get. Don't scavenge for advice on just any question you get. Study strategically and systematically.
Exam Pal.